Hi, I'm Holly Prescott, and my husband John and I are going to be coming to the Clearwater Market Center on July 13th and 14th to teach our favorite class, Train the Presenter. This class is for everyone. See, Keller Williams knows that presentation skills can have a huge impact on your business and your life, whether you're presenting to a buyer, a seller, whether you're presenting to a recruit, whether you're presenting to your 13-year-old. Presentation skills can be everything in communicating the point that you want to get across. This is a 2-day class. The first day, you're going to be learning some great presentation techniques and developing a 10-minute presentation. On the second day, you're going to have the privilege of delivering that 10-minute presentation. This class is the first step toward becoming a KW-approved trainer, or even possibly eventually being KWU Master Faculty, as John and I are. So hopefully we'll see you there. July the 13th and 14th. Be there or be square. Bye.